This NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop Portable 120V Digital Ceramic Dual Burner offers a modern and efficient cooking solution for those seeking versatility and precision in their kitchen. With its sleek black design, advanced features, and user-friendly controls, this induction cooktop is perfect for both home and outdoor cooking. Here's a detailed review of its features, performance, and overall value. The NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is designed with a polished black ceramic surface that not only looks elegant but is also easy to clean. The cooktop features two circular top panel heating zones, each with its independent configurable temperature zone setting. The digital LCD screen is clear and easy to read, providing real-time information about the cooking temperature and mode. The build quality of the cooktop is robust, with a solid feel that ensures durability. The touch sensor control panel is responsive and intuitive, making it simple to switch between different cooking modes and adjust temperatures. The compact and lightweight design of the cooktop makes it portable and ideal for use in various settings such as home kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and even outdoor cooking areas. One of the standout features of the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is its dual heating zones. Each zone can be controlled independently, allowing you to cook two different dishes simultaneously at different temperatures. This is particularly useful for multitasking in the kitchen, such as boiling pasta on one side while simmering sauce on the other. The cooktop offers 12 controls for precise temperature adjustment, ranging from low heat for delicate dishes to high heat for frying and boiling. The temperature can be adjusted in increments, providing a high level of control over the cooking process. This precision ensures that your food is cooked perfectly every time, whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or slow cooking a stew. The NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop comes equipped with multiple cooking modes to suit various culinary needs. With just one press, you can switch from one cooking mode to another, making it easy to adapt to different recipes. The manual cooking function includes fry, steam, and water modes, allowing you to cook a wide range of dishes with ease. In addition to the manual modes, the cooktop also features an automatic warm function. This mode keeps your food warm until it's ready to be served, which is particularly handy when preparing multiple courses or waiting for guests to arrive. The ability to switch between cooking modes seamlessly enhances the overall cooking experience, making it more convenient and efficient. Induction cooking is known for its energy efficiency, and the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is no exception. It uses electromagnets to heat the cookware directly, which means that no heat is lost between the cooking surface and the pot. This method of cooking not only reduces energy consumption but also speeds up the cooking process. Safety is a key consideration in the design of this cooktop. It includes a built-in child safety lock that locks all operating buttons, preventing little ones from accidentally turning on the cooktop or changing the settings. This feature provides peace of mind for families with young children. Additionally, the cooktop automatically shuts off if no cookware is detected, further enhancing safety and preventing accidents. The NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is compatible with a variety of induction-ready cookware. It works with steel, cast iron, enameled iron, and stainless steel flat-bottomed pots and pans with diameters ranging from 12 to 26 centimeters. This compatibility ensures that you can use your existing cookware without needing to invest in new pieces specifically for the cooktop. The versatility of this cooktop makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking scenarios. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, on a camping trip, or in an RV, the NutriChef Cooktop delivers reliable performance. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and store, adding to its convenience. Using the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive touch sensor controls and clear digital display. Setting the desired temperature and cooking mode is quick and easy, allowing you to focus on preparing your meal. The cooktop heats up rapidly and responds instantly to temperature adjustments, providing a seamless cooking experience. Maintenance is also hassle-free. The ceramic glass surface is smooth and non-porous, making it easy to wipe clean after use. Unlike traditional cooktops with open flames or exposed heating elements, there are no crevices for food particles to get trapped, ensuring a hygienic cooking environment. In terms of performance, the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop excels. The heating zones provide consistent and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring uniform cooking. The ability to fine-tune the temperature settings allows for precise control, whether you're melting chocolate, simmering sauces, or searing meats. The cooktop's energy efficiency is evident in its rapid heating and reduced cooking times. Compared to traditional gas or electric stoves, induction cooking is significantly faster and more efficient, making meal preparation quicker and more convenient. Conclusion: the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is a versatile, efficient, and safe cooking solution that delivers exceptional performance in a compact and stylish package. With its dual heating zones, multiple cooking modes, precise temperature control, and energy-efficient operation, it is well suited for a variety of cooking environments. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen appliances, need a portable cooktop for your RV, or want a reliable cooking companion for outdoor adventures, the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop is an excellent choice. Its combination of advanced features, user-friendly design, and safety measures make it a standout option for modern cooking needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.